Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to do polynomial long division. So polynomial long division is basically like, say we have 23 and then divided by 949, and you would do it normally like, so this would equal to 4, and you would do 92, subtract, and you'd bring down this number, and then you'd basically do it normally. And so then you would get, say, 23 with the remainder of 6. So then you would get 41, and then you would get, so the answer would be 41 and 6 over 23, or plus, whichever one. And so for polynomial, it's a little bit different. So you would have a basic 4x plus 1. This is an example. And then you get 8x squared. Let's say you have 8x squared plus 6x plus 3. So this is our first example. So this is how we would do it. So you would first get 8x squared, and you would do the normal divide 4x into 8x squared, and you would get 2x. And then you would multiply this 2x with 4x plus 1, and we would get 8x squared plus 2x. And then here's the thing. So you have this number. Let's say this was counted just as one number. You would have the subtracting sign right like this, which means that not only do you have to subtract 8x squared, you would have to subtract 1x, or just x, and then follow the equation like that. So then you would have this as 0, and this as 5x. And then you would bring down this number, getting you plus 3. And you basically repeat the process. So you have 5x plus 3, and then you divide 4x into 5x. It just goes by once. Oops, that does not look clear. And then you do the same thing. You multiply 4x plus 1 into 1, which is 4x plus 1. And then you do the same. You subtract it, and you also change this number. Don't forget to change this number. And then you will get x. You get x plus 2. So that will be our remainder. And so this is how you would write it. So you have, let me just solve this. So you would have 2x plus 1 plus, and then we had a remainder of 2. Oops. 2 or 4x plus 1. Oh, I just realized I made a mistake. So it would actually be 2, not 2x. And so that would be our answer. Let's do one more example. So let's see, say we have 5x minus 2 divided into 34x minus 16 plus 15x squared. Now look at this question. So there's one thing we have to watch out. We see 15x squared minus 16 and then plus 34x. So these numbers, they have to be rearranged into the degree of the polynomials by greatest to least. So the greatest degree we have is 15x squared, because squared is a higher degree than 34x to the power of 1, or just normal x. And then we have minus 16, which has no degree at all. And so let's repeat the process. So we have 3x, multiply 3x times 5x, and multiply 3x minus 2, which would equal to minus 6x. So we have 15x to the power of 2 minus 6x, and then we have to subtracting sign, so we have to multiply negative 1 into both of the numbers. So then we would have plus 6x. So then we would get 0, and then plus 40x, drop this number below, minus 16, and then we would repeat the process again. So 40x into 5x would equal to plus 8 or positive 8, and then we would take 8 and we will multiply by these two numbers, 5x and minus 2, and then we would get 40x and then minus 16. But in this case we would have to put the subtracting sign, well, in all cases. So we can do the same thing as putting parentheses, and so both the numbers get affected. So then let me just erase this. So we're gonna have plus, which basically cancel out to 0, and so then our overall answer would just be (3x plus 8). Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you or taught you something new. Yeah.